Hi guys, I'm making a Greek sword from a file, and I'll show you briefly how I make it. It's the file. It is clamped to a stand, and I have an angle grinder and water. The water is very important because the file is already hardened, and this thing eliminates the forging. I got no forge, that's why I got the angle grinder, and I'll grind a sword. And water, and I'm keep going. I'll show the next step. Here is a couple hours later. One side of the file is almost ready, flat. There is the template which I'm gonna follow to make the knife, whichever. It's windy. I marked the shape of the blade. The other side is, I just started it. Right here it's not ready yet, but I started in this side. The bad thing is I created a huge warp, but I'll keep going. The guys from YouTube say that warp like that can be easily removed, and I'm trusting them because by following YouTube videos I managed to build this thing with no experience at all. Okay. Here it is. I have the blade already. It's shaped. It's also finished in blue, and I have some parts which gonna build the handle. This one will be here, and these two will be here like that. Now I'll try to put together the handle, and then I'll show the finished product.